Children are naturally drawn to water. They love to pour it, watch it move, and see what happens next. The Outlast Water Table and Cascade are thoughtfully designed to support learning through water play. As children play, they explore big ideas. They notice how water flows, what happens when it's blocked, and how it moves materials like sand and soil. These moments build early scientific thinking through hands-on, self-directed exploration. The cascading design slows the water down. It makes movement easier to see and easier to understand. Children test ideas, adjust their approach, and try again, building a clear sense of cause and effect. Water play also supports sensory and social development. Children collaborate, they communicate ideas, they problem solve together, learning not just from materials but from each other. Every detail is designed to support both play and care. The pans lift out easily. Draining the water and cleaning up is simple. Made from durable, weatherproof materials, the Outlast Water Table and Cascade are built for wet, messy outdoor play, season after season. Bring learning outdoors, where curiosity leads the way and children learn best through play.